This is your sign to put in that personal day at work and come be in nature. Girl. Okay, I'm trying to do my makeup really quick, but I about to drink this protein shake. I really like this flavor. This is the cookie dough, and I don't know why I'm surprised when I love cookie dough ice cream. That's my favorite ice cream. I honestly, I'm loving the way that my skin is looking right now, and I kind of don't want to put like real makeup on. So I think I'm just gonna do my regular work makeup. So no foundation, just spot conceal and some blush. I feel like the blush just gonna eat it up every time. Spot conceal, under eye conceal. I swear when you remove like the depth from under your eye, it just changes your face immediately. Y'all like my little outfit? I think it's so cute. I literally like just didn't even have anything planned, honestly. I was gonna wear lighter colors, like, you know, to get like spring and whatever. And then I was like, I don't want to wear short sleeves. I wish I could clear this like instantly. Like as I just fixed that, my face looks completely better. Like, look, you see, this from the drip drop residue. That is why it be leaving the little spots on my face. I'm on the train. I'm late. It's 9:47. But when I get to the next stop, I'm gonna have to wait so long because the next train is not for, I want to say, another hour, maybe like 45 minutes. So that's my bad. That is dope. And all of the trains now are the local ones. So they're gonna make every single stop. It's not the express one. But that's okay. That's okay. Look at this. It's so beautiful. I hate when they have like this tint on here. It looks kind of foggy, but like, look at that.
You're gonna get off at this first stop.
Okay.
Have you ever been to Secaucus before?
No.
Okay.
So what do I do? I just go down?
Go up one escalator.
Oh, go up. Okay.
You use this to get through the gate.
Okay.
Then you go down 2 escalators. Look for the one that's in yellow. It'll be highlighted on the screen.
In yellow. Okay.
It's going to tell you which track to go to. E, F, G, and H.
Okay.
All right?
All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so look at that on the screen.
Okay.
Right?
Perfect. Oh, they're so nice. He could tell that I was like, don't know what I'm doing, but. I'm here.
Also board on track 3 today. next one doesn't come until 10:56.
Okay.
All right.
I'll wait.
Track letter F.
F. Okay. Thank you. This is so beautiful. Train 1111. It was meant to be. Good morning. It's so beautiful in here. Thank you. Thank you. You made my day. Have a good weekend. Ooh. That lady just said I have a pretty face. I hope she has a blessed day. Forever. They got a Dunkin' Donuts. It's real cute in here. Should I get a Fiji water so I can feel like glamorous? Can I just have one glazed donut? Actually, I'll take two. I'll take two glazed donuts. Yeah. First of all, this is my first time at this at Sea Caucus. I've never been to the Sea Caucus station. Like, it's so beautiful. It's so clean and neat. Like, what? And everybody is so helpful and nice. I love that for me. I came in here, I asked him like, oh yeah, I'm trying to go here. Da-da. He figured the whole thing out for me and all that. I'm like, wow. He even took the ticket from me and scanned it for me. I was like, sure, good. Because I'm looking at these people right now scanning the ticket and it's not even working. Like, all that. Listen, princess treatment is what I deserve, okay? He's like, no, I'm gonna do it. Anyway, I got two glazed donuts. Did I need two? No. No, I'm gonna tell you one. I hate people that just have to be a fucking creep. Like, I don't know. It's fucking weird. But you see that creep? All these shits right here. He sat at the one right behind. They can't help themselves. Hi. The lips still look good. Okay. Creep. See that? And then let me show you. See this? Right, 4. And then look at this. Right? He's being fucking weird, right? I know. Sometimes you have to embarrass these niggas for real and let them know what they're doing is weird because they know it's weird. You want a picture? No. You want to take? You sure? Okay.
I used to take these kids.
Oh, okay. This is my first time here. It's so beautiful.
I
Yeah.
used to live in Saffron, so I used to.
Oh, that's where I'm going.
Are you are?
Yeah.
Where is the Botanical Garden? What Botanical?
Oh, New Jersey Botanical Garden. It's in Ringwood. Ringwood.
Oh, Ringo.
Yeah, I never been.
Nice.
Okay.
Yeah, we go around when I was living in Saffron.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh no, it's fine. I stopped you, so I was like, oh, do you want a picture there? So, wow, small world. Well, have a good weekend. Have a good day. Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna sit right here in the sun. Beautiful. Look at that fucking weirdo that I left him there, being a weirdo. Being a fucking weirdo. I hope I made you uncomfortable as you tried to make me uncomfortable. Tried, because no, I just love that happened to me, because it's like everyone is not being weird. It has to be this like homeless black man, you know, because of course, why wouldn't it be? Yeah, also I'm like vlogging and shit and I don't feel embarrassed. I don't know, I'm changing, babe. Yeah, I should have asked them somebody to take my picture. That's what I should have asked. Wait, let me try. Hold on. Because I'm going to take a picture. Oh, but the sun is behind me. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. I got so many compliments. Like, this one lady said, your face is so pretty. Another woman at Newark was like, I love your shirt. And then 2 guys just tried to talk to me. Like, and you know, I'm being bold this year, so I didn't break the eye contact. And he saw me, and then his friend looked back, and then they said, hi. And he was like, come here, come here. No. But I definitely am. I need to go to the bathroom before I get on this hour-long train ride.
D-J-I.
Pocket.
Pocket.
Osmo. O-S-M-O.
O-S-M-O.
Number
Okay.
3. Number 3, because they have different versions.
You guys got on Amazon?
Yeah, I bought it from Amazon.
So how
Yeah.
much was it?
It was, I got the kit, so it comes with a tripod, it comes with that, and that was $7.99. But base, like the camera, is $6.99.
Wait, $7.99.
Yeah. Yeah.
You mean this camera is $7?
No, 700. Sorry, 799. I'm sorry. Yeah. 799. Yeah. Yeah.
That plus everything. So I'm in your video right now, right?
Yep.
Alright, good.
Yeah.
Good to meet you. My name is
Nice to meet you. Anyway, I'm such a magnet. A good magnet of positivity. 5 minutes. I'm on track F.
This is Nigeria for me.
Right?
I'm at home, man.
Yeah. Hello, Emmanuel. That's Emmanuel. Nice to meet you. Have a good day.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Bergen County Line, the Hoboken is expected to arrive on track G in a
Sorry about that. Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Have a good weekend. Oh, this place is so beautiful. Yay. I'm at the station right now, but like there's like, it's not a station, it's just a drop off. So I came down here and now I'm waiting for the Uber Uber is 16 minutes away. This is like not a real place. Girl, nobody told me nothing. Yeah. Oh, brother. $25 on Uber. And then it was $28 on Lyft. I went back to check Lyft. 2 minutes later, it was $33. Please go to F to heaven. Oh my God. Anyway, y'all, I'm still alive. Probably won't do this again. That's why I need a man that could drive and wants to actually take me out in public and do things in the daytime. But if I never find it, here I am doing it by myself, having a good time. God got me. Influencers in the wild.
Because I'm Asian, I know something.
Yeah. Why am I crying? I'm so happy. So happy. So those lovely people, that lovely couple out there, they're an older couple, but they look so good. They're walking their dog and they're like, yeah, this whole thing is the botanical gardens. You can just walk anywhere, but you should go here for this and here for that. So yes. Hello, hi. Oh, look at how beautiful. Look at this! Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. This is so beautiful. What? This is worth it, huh? Sure was. This is so beautiful. I'm literally crying because I'm just so happy that I decided to do this. It was so stressful and kind of like scattered trying to get here. Even the Uber driver that I waited almost 20 minutes for, I got in and he was like so upset because he didn't realize where I was going, and I guess it was too far. It was a 10-minute ride, but it is pretty far out. Even driving into the compound of here was really far from the road. I'm just hoping I can get an Uber back that is, you know, nice about it. You know. Look at this. I'm gonna cry. It's so beautiful and the people are so nice. Wow. And it's such a perfect day because it's not, it's hot, like the sun is right there, but it's not crazy. Look at this. I feel good. I was born and raised in New Jersey. I've never been to the botanical gardens. Sometimes doing things solo can be kind of scary, but it's so worth it. This is awesome. see yellow over there and you know that I have to go. This right here is me. Every day I'm reminded I need to learn how to drive, because I would be here every weekend. I can't explain this. This is awesome. I feel like a kid. I feel like a kid again. This is your sign to put in that personal day at work and come be in nature. Oh my God. Like, time is not real right now. It's like a timeless feeling. Like, not thinking about work, people, bills, nothing. Just being. I feel great. I have no shame. I don't feel any awkwardness. I'm just happy. Oh my God, I'm so happy I did this. I'm so happy that I followed my heart and just really said, F all that work, take the day off. I keep saying, I don't want to walk too far as I keep walking far. Okay, so maybe I will walk back. This is so awesome. Kind of want to like just lay on the ground, take my shoes off and lay on the ground. But I'm kind of nervous to do that. Like I feel free right now, but not that free, you know? So I tried to go to the other side, but they have a sign up that says beyond this point is for guests, event guests. So I guess they have events here and stuff. And you can go into the like manor side, I guess. Payphone fire, but $1 for every minute. Yeah, that's how much I'm gonna start charging for y'all to talk to me. Alright, I'm gonna go see what this bathroom is looking like so I can head on out of here. Call this Uber. I'm scared. see, but no paper towels, and the floor is entirely wet. Yay! Oh, I'm so happy. They actually accepted. All right, so he is 16 minutes away. Yes. Uber is called. Mind you, I got a little too excited from the first person that accepted. I was like, oh, thank you so much. Da-da-da. He's gonna be, first of all, it said he was coming in 20 minutes, and then I saw that he kept getting farther and farther, and usually they tell you if the person is dropping off someone else so you can see like the pin. And I'm like, oh, maybe he missed his turn because it says he has to make like a U-turn. So he texts me, he's like, yeah, I just have to do one drop off and then I'll come get you. I'm like, oh, okay, no problem. I'm thinking he has someone else to drop off. Then I go to look at the map and I don't see that. I don't see that. And he's driving farther and farther away. 10 miles away, 10.4, 10.8, 11, 11.2, 11.4. And I just canceled it. Because you're playing with me. And now look, you miss out. And I didn't get charged because he was actually getting farther away. He wasn't on his way. So they don't charge you in that instance. Why would you accept it if you knew you had to go do something farther away? I'm already waiting 20 minutes. But then I canceled and got another one right away who was 20 minutes again. And he's actually in my direction, coming in my direction. I want to sit right here, but I tried to sit and it's so many ants and I can't be bothered. But phone case that I changed it to like 2 days ago. Or a day ago. He's 3 minutes away.
You okay?
Yes. I had a good day today. I made it. I'm in. My shoes are so like, they're not dirty, they're dusty. Today was such a good day. My Uber driver that took me from the Botanical Gardens all the way here, the ride, I have to check. I think it was like an hour. Oh my God, New Jersey is so freaking beautiful. Like, it's a garden state for a reason. There is so much to see. Wake up call for a second. I did not know Suffern was Suffern, New York. It's not Suffern, New Jersey. So I took the NJ Transit train from Newark, New Jersey. All these like cities in New Jersey, I didn't realize like literally the Hamilton, Clifton, all those stops are Jersey. I didn't realize the last stop, Suffern, is in New York. It is right like across the border, right? From like right where the New York, New Jersey border is, it literally crosses over into the threshold. So now it explains why the Uber was so expensive, because I'm going from New York to New Jersey, and anytime I do that, it's always expensive. always expensive. And now it explains extra why the Uber driver that took me from the Suffern station to the Botanical Gardens was so mad. Anyway, whatever. I took an Uber home and it was amazing. But my driver was so nice. He was this older Hispanic man. He was so nice. He kept checking on me because, you know, I was real quiet and relaxed. And while I was like in the car, you know, like I was just like, wow, I'm so grateful that I could do this. Like, I thank God so much. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry again. I was just so like happy and grateful. I can't wait to take a shower. I had amazing luck all freaking day. I had good energy. I had good positivity around me. I was a positivity magnet, okay? I know I said I was gonna leave y'all alone for a second, but I went and got some food, right? But instead of my usual sandwich, my turkey sandwich, I got me a salmon sandwich. And it comes with fries. It's so hot right now. I got provolone, lettuce, tomato, onions. But I'm about to bust that down. Also got some chips. I just realized that I don't need the chips because I got French fries. Anyway, I decided to get some vitamin water because it's been a minute. I tried and true acai, blueberry, pomegranate, XXX. This is like my favorite of all time. This one was a new one to me this year, or maybe like in the last year. Kiwi strawberry. I love kiwi strawberry from every brand. I don't know. But this one is brand new to me. It even says it on the thing. It says new. Blue raspberry limeade. I kind of like need to try this now. It's cold too. Wow, that's delicious. But what I'm about to do, I'm gonna finish charging you and transferring these files. I'm going to change out of all of this. Also, girl, listen, everywhere I go, I get compliments. Like, I love this life of mine. I walk out to go to the store. I see this lady, this beautiful black lady with her beautiful, she has a lovely unit on, and it's like, it's not straight bust down, you know, 30-inch bust down, but it's like a wave to it, not a curl, just like a wave to it, and it's so sleek, beautiful, and seamless. She walked out like this out the store with her man, and I was like, oh my God, I have to give her a compliment. Like, as she came, I was like, your hair is so beautiful. And she was like, and so is yours. And I was like, thank you, baby. Love you. Love a black woman from infinity to infinity. Then I walk into the store, you know, people stopping for me in the street. Usually they don't stop for me when I don't look cute, you know. Not saying that I need this attention at all. I'm just saying that I got it. You know, my aura today has been top shelf. I look the same all the time. Like, I looked like this yesterday, just a different outfit. Anyway, today was a good day. I'm really sweaty and gross. Look at her. You're gonna be bigger than your parents. Ah! It's stuff like that that just brings me joy. Like, how do I explain that to somebody? Like, they wouldn't get it. I already tried a fry. It's unseasoned. I'm about to try the burger. Oh my God. It's so good. All right, satisfied with my choice.